Today is a very special day. I am going on a trip. I am going to London. I am very excited. My suitcase is open on my bed. I put my clothes inside. I put my favorite blue shirt and my shoes in the bag. I check my list. Everything is ready. I close my heavy suitcase. I arrive at the airport by taxi. The airport is huge and very loud. There are people everywhere. Some people are running. Some people are drinking coffee. I look at the big screen. I see my flight number, BA123. It is on time. I feel happy, but a little nervous. I go to the check-in desk. The lady in the uniform smiles at me. She asks, "Can I see your passport, please?" I reach into my bag. I look inside. Oh no! My passport is not there. My heart beats fast. I check my other pocket. It is empty. I am scared. Where is it? I take a deep breath. I check my jacket pocket. My fingers touch something hard. Yes, it is my passport. It was in my jacket, not my bag. I am so lucky. My face turns red. I give the passport to the lady. She smiles and gives me my boarding pass. I pass the security check and walk to gate 15. I sit on a chair near the big window. I watch the airplanes outside. They are very big machines. One plane takes off. It goes up into the clouds. I drink some water and wait for my turn. Finally, they call my group. It is time to board. I walk through the tunnel and enter the plane. The flight attendants say, "Welcome." I find my seat number. It is seat 10A. Great. It is next to the window. I put my bag up and sit down. The seat is soft. The plane starts to move. It goes faster and faster on the ground. Then we go up. My ears feel funny. I look out the window. The cars and houses look like small toys. Soon we are above the clouds. The sky is bright blue. It is beautiful and quiet up here. After 3 hours, the pilot speaks. "We are landing now," he says. The plane goes down slowly. We touch the ground. Bump. Everyone claps their hands. The plane stops. I take my bag and walk out. Hello, London. I am ready for my adventure.